All right, we're out here at 1091 Christian Lakes. Just wanted to get an overview of the house as we walk up to it, so we make sure it's the right house. We're going to do an attempt to repair on an Elk Prestige 30 shingle, which is discontinued. So what we're going to do is actually try to pull off one of the wind damaged shingles and basically put that same shingle back and see if it causes any damage to the other shingles around it. If so, then it'd be very hard to do an accurate repair on this roof. So hang tight as I walk up. I'm going to go ahead and mark out which shingle we're going to go ahead and repair today. Whew, a little warm, so bear with me. I may get a little out of breath, but we're going to make it. Okay. So our shingle right here, let's see, where are we at? Oh, here it is right here. So this is our wind damaged shingle. This is the edge of it. This is the other end of the shingle right here. So that is the shingle that we're going to be repairing today, and or this one. These are both wind creased. So we're going to go ahead and remove one of these and see if it doesn't do any extended damage to the rest of the shingles around it to accurately do the repair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom out, set my camera up as I do this, because I do not have a cameraman today. So what I'll do is I'll set this up with my stand and go ahead and do the attempt to repair. So from this angle, I'm going to go ahead and show you 60 degrees is what they asked for, not to go any higher than that right there. That's about 60 degrees. That would be 60 as well. So I'm going to back up, set it up, and try to knock it out. Okay. Looks pretty solid. Oh. Until it falls. Wonderful. Bear with me. I'm no camera expert. So. All right. I'm going to start by removing the nails on these shingles above. So if this is a shingle, we're going to take out this one as well. So we'll do. Good enough. There's one. Okay. Gracious me. Two notes. Okay. There it is. It's not in a good place. Okay. As you can see, you got the wind damaged shingle right here removed. I'm going to lay it aside, kind of show you what we got going on so far. Wipe a little sweat off. It's a little warm. Okay, I'll walk you in on what we've got so far. We've removed the wind damaged shingle. Obviously there's one under it too that's wind damaged. But as you can see so far, with the one above it, not too much going on at the moment. So let's see how it goes trying to stick this exact shingle back in there, because they do not make a shingle to this size. This is an elk, again, an elk Prestige 30, which is non-compatible in Georgia. And Georgia being a non-size matching state, you have to match size on it. So we're gonna stick it back up in there and see what we got. Hang tight. So, shingle, try to match the same exact holes. Got on my nails right there. Even though there was only 4 nails in here, I like the 5 nail. So, got that set back in, set back to proportion. Now, take nail, and nail, and go back in. Gotta get in the nail strip. Okay. That went one. 2. And as you can see when I'm doing this, right here, right there, that's 60 degrees right there. Okay, it's literally 3 inches. So I'm just letting you guys know from that angle how far I have so I can nail. And I'm gonna come up here and show you. I'm just gonna bounce around and just lightly tap the shingle